Everybody comment freedom. Me have breaking news for Ninjaman. Get this to the tattoos likes my people. Tomorrow is the big day. Share the video, subscribe to the channel. It's Blessing Sunday. Listen to this.
Me don't want be no done. And me don't want be no politician.
Okay.
Them two responsibility there, me no want.
Alright, so we're now go waste some more on the time, everybody. Big news. Me need 500 people for comment freedom. 500 people comment freedom for Ninjaman right now. You understand? Tomorrow. Yes. The 2nd of the 6th is here tomorrow. Freedom for Ninjaman. Release for Ninjaman. Walking out of prison for Ninjaman. Everybody drop a like on this video and share the video as I now bring to you the details. Tomorrow is the big day, you understand? And Virtual TV has new news, new information, new updates for you right now that you need to know. You understand? Yes, big news for my people. Finally, the day has come. Yes, legal representatives of Ninjaman Robert Fletcher and of course his other attorneys are ready for Ninjaman's freedom. Now, his lawyer states that Ninjaman is innocent and they don't care who wants to believe because they're saying Ninjaman is innocent and that he is fully rehabilitated, he is ready for the road, and he, most of all, is ready to come back home in Jamaica. You understand? So, with that being said, everybody, we will now get to you the updates that you need to know. You understand? Okay? Yes. So, comment freedom, my people, if you're not ready for Ninjaman, my people. The biggest concert, apart from Vibes Cartel, that we have ever seen is about to take place. And of course, get ready to welcome Ninjaman home. You understand? Tomorrow is the 2nd of June. You understand? Now, according to what is being said based on transcripts prepared by his attorneys, Robert Fletcher and his attorneys, my people, they're saying that their strategy is to have Ninjaman's conviction overturned. According to what is being said, sources now also claim that the apparent mistrials that Ninjaman has gone through has placed his alibi, right, in a very unspecified and difficult place. They're saying that testimonies on the day in question does not place Ninjaman on the scene of the crime. They're saying Ninjaman was in Mandeville and not in St. Andrew. You understand? They're saying that ultimately Ninjaman did not get a fair trial and Ninjaman deserves to be freed. Now, there was even some, of course, controversies that take place that, according to what is being said, there was some malicious intent by investigators in their report to the courts, which basically sabotaged Ninjaman alleged case. Yes. No, they're saying that this is not fair because Ninjaman's image should not be used against him. Ultimately, from 1999 until now, Ninjaman is a changed man and he is fully rehabilitated and now ready. Ninjaman says that his motto is to change Jamaica and to help people. That is what he says that his new mission is going to be. You understand? So with that being said, my people, drop a like on the video, comment freedom, share the video, my people. And if you're ready for Ninjaman, you're going to sit back, relax, everybody. It's Blessing Sunday and Virtual TV wishes you God's richest blessing. Let's get into the video right now. Yes, tomorrow is the big day. The big day for the Dan Gog and everybody, right? Incarcerated dancehall star Ninjaman will return to the home circuit court tomorrow as his legal team presses ahead with the appeal of his murder conviction. Yes, tomorrow. And right now, you hear everything only on Virtual TV right now. You understand? You will hear more stories coming tomorrow. But me a brief on you right now as it sets in real time. It's currently 12:34. You understand what I say? So, yes, everybody. Now, his attorney at law, Robert Fletcher, has confirmed that the Border Clash DJ will return to court tomorrow, but they did not reveal their strategy in any details, but they say that they have a strategy well prepared. Now, listen this. The team is going through the transcripts now as we speak to prepare for tomorrow, noting the discrepancies and the conflicting testimonies so that they can mount a formidable defense, a close source told the article. Now, Ninjaman's murder appeal was impacted negatively by the sudden illness and passing of his attorney at law, Pris0n Robertson. The 71-year-old powerhouse who was spearheading his appeal, Robertson, fell ill last October and passed away peacefully on February this year, surrounded by family members. So, Pris0n Robertson was one of the persons who was going to take the case forward and have Ninjaman's conviction and have him released from prison, because she adamantly believed that Ninjaman was innocent. Now, one of the things that you need to know, everybody, is that the judge's ultimate decision for having Ninjaman incarcerated for such a tough time, they're saying it was because of his multiple convictions prior to that, right? His case on the white stuff, which was, of course, that ammunition charges, firearm charges, and other alleged offenses. Now, when Ninjaman faced the judge, they're saying that Ninjaman, as a man of his stature, does not seem that he had learned anything. You understand? And that is why they ultimately put a slap on him wrist so far. You understand? Anyway, moving right along, my people. Now, in a letter penned, Ninjaman expressed his sadness of the passing of his attorney, Pris0n Robertson, and says that he was heartbroken, okay, because he says that their relationship was not just, lawyer and attorney. It was more mother and son, that type of relationship. So Ninjaman felt sad about that. Now, in December last year, they are saying that Ninjaman was scheduled to appear before the courts for a hearing. 2 weeks before the hearing, they were surprised that Pris0n felt ill. Now, she was gone, and I am heartbroken, is what Ninjaman said. Now, Nita Robertson had intended to challenge the DJ's conviction on the grounds that he did not receive a fair trial, which is the constitutional entitlement of every citizen. Now, in an interview years ago, Nita Robertson pointed out to a length and a statement, right, that the DJ's case, which had seen 17 trial dates and 23 mentions before the actual trial. Now, it is alleged that on the day in question in March 2009, the now deceased Ricardo Johnson was sweeping his yard in the company of a friend on Mall Road, St. Andrew, when a motor car with 3 men aboard drove up, right? Now, an argument developed between Johnson, and that is what they're saying took place ultimately, right? The argument developed, and between Johnson and friends, the men who left later returned with firearms blazing, right? Now, Johnson was fatally shot in the incident. Now, Ninjaman turned himself into the police shortly after the incident upon hearing that he was being sought as a person of interest in the case. Now, the trial involved 7 witnesses, including one who testified that a group of men, which were allegedly led by Ninjaman, right, entered a yard, and on the day in question, it was further alleged that the DJ fired 2 rounds at the witness and he had to flee the premises. Now, the length of the delay is what they're saying deprived the Ninjaman of his alibi witness, and that would have made a great defense. Instead, they had to challenge the credibility of the prosecution's witness without being able to produce a witness to substantiate Ninjaman's argument. Okay, now they're saying he was at Mandeville at the time of the incident, the lawyers said in court at the next time. Now, the legal representative also believes that Ninjaman's fame and past reputation weighed heavily on the decision by the 7-member jury. The Crown relied heavily on the concept of common design. Tomorrow, the big day. Freedom for Ninjaman. Drop a like on the video, share the video. I will be back here tomorrow inside the Manifest Mondays to give you further updates. Like the video, share the video, everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Don't go nowhere. So forward.